Hello children, a very good morning to you all. How are you all? And welcome to the class. Okay, so we will continue with the same chapter in today's class, right? And what we are going to do, and we will continue the same, the objectives of management. Okay, we have done the first objective of management, that was organizational objectives. Okay, in that three heads were there: survival, profit and growth. So in today's video we are going to do the second and third objective of management. Okay, so the second objective of management is social objective, right? So what is social objective? Let's see what they are saying. What is social objective? Social objectives of the organizations deals with the commitment towards society. Organization, they are saying that organization have some commitments towards society. Why they are saying this, that they are having these commitments towards society? Why? To run their organization, they are getting so many things from the society. Okay, how they are getting? आप बोलोगे मैम क्या चीज़ें मिल रही हैं सोसाइटी से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को? बेटा बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं, लाइक employees you are getting from the society, you are getting raw materials from the society, you are getting labor from the society. Okay, so all these things you are getting to run the organizations, you are getting from the सोसाइटी. आपको ये सब चीज़ें सोसाइटी से मिल रही है, देन ओनली द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल रन, अदरवाइज हाउ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल रन. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव सम कमिटमेंट्स टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी. इसलिए उनका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कुछ कमिटमेंट है टुवर्ड्स सोसाइटी. नाउ व्हाट आर these commitments? Let's see what commitments they have. That they should supply good quality of products at reasonable price. Whatever the product they are launching, whatever the product they are making in the organization, they are manufacturing, they should manufacture, they should produce that product like that each and every person can purchase. Reasonable price, प्राइस ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, रीजनेबल प्राइस. ओके, द कॉस्ट शुड बी रीजनेबल दैट ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन कैन बाय. एंड they should produce some good employment opportunities for the people in that area. Suppose a company is here in this area, so they should produce some employment opportunities for those local people. Okay, so in that way they will do the commitment for the society. Now some what should they do? Using environmental friendly methods of production. Okay, they use, organization is there, in organization so much chemical use will be there, so much smoke used to come from the factories. So organizations should think the eco-friendly production, okay, towards the society, ताकि society को harm ना हो. So they should produce the they should manufacture the products like that, eco-friendly products they should manufacture. So in that way they will help the society. And so many other commitments are there, so much, but these are the main commitments what I have told you. Okay, and employment opportunity I have told you. Yes, they should help them in educational, health also. Okay, they help the society, they should help the society in the educational field and the health field also, in health services also. Okay, so these are the some social objectives, these are the social objectives of the management, and these are the commitments that organization should have for the society. Okay, now let's move to the third and the last objective of the management, that is personal objectives. Now personal objective is related to the employees. Okay, it is related to the employees. Now every employee have their personal objective. Okay, I am the employee, I am working in the organization, so I am having my personal objective. Okay, that today I have joined with the salary of XYZ. Okay, and tomorrow in few months or in few years, okay, let's suppose in 1 year I will earn a good amount of salary, so this is my personal objective. Okay, you can say personal objective also, human objectives and individual objectives also. Okay, so personal objectives are related to the employees. What they are saying, individual objectives are related to the employees, or personal objectives are related to the employees of the organization. Organization is there, so organization is having the employees, so every employee have their own objective. Okay, suppose what objective, like related to the salary, I told you they have joined the company and at period of time they want that their salary should increase, so that is their what, personal objective. Now they want some good promotion, good training also. Okay, they are working in one area, so employee wants that, they want a good training for what work they are doing. Okay, they want some personal growth in the organization, right? And what they want, self-respect also. Suppose in a group of members, they are working for some project, so a person, an employee is working very hard and he wants that the manager of the organization should recognize him. Okay, वो उसको recognize करे that he is working very good, so he will give him peer recognition. That is called peer recognition. Okay, through that what will happen, क्या होगा, उससे उसकी सैलरी भी बढ़ जाएगी, उससे उसको इंक्रीमेंट मिलेगा. ओके, उसको पोस्ट भी हायर मिल जाएगी. सो दीज आर द पर्सनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स व्हाट अ एम्प्लॉय वांट्स फ्रॉम द organization. There are so many objectives, but these are the main what I have told you. Okay, so personal objectives are related to the individuals and social objectives are related to the organization commitments towards society. Okay, I hope you have understood these objectives of management. 3 objectives were there: organizational objective, social and personal objectives. Okay, and you go through it, and I will send you some pages through PDF to you. Okay, today's network is not good. Okay, it is not well working, so I will send you all these videos and notes when the network will become okay. Okay, and thank you so much. Go through it, see the video. Thank you so much.